Welcome everybody to the final half hour of this year's spring symposium. In just a moment, I'm going to turn it over to Dr. Jordan for the awards for the residents. But just before I do that, I want to just give a few quick thank yous to a lot of people who helped pull this off. Most importantly, the symposium committee, Anne Marie Parker and Gwen Dodd, and Dr. Jeff Stottinger. What an amazing job. I think just ask them all of the little things we had to take care of. It was amazing. And of course, the university relations team, Angela Waltz, Jessica Marsh, and Haley Reardon. We couldn't have pulled it off without all these people. Doctors Talley and Wolf for their roundtable on Wednesday. The judges who made assessment of the posters and presentations possible. So thank you all. To all of the faculty who volunteered their time. The IT team, also the AV team, Shane and Andrew. We wouldn't have a research day without the students and faculties who did the research and the residents. So thank you to everybody who is making research happen here at Kansas City University. And then we have the building services team and for all the setup. Perhaps most importantly, the administration team led by Dr. O'Connor, who make all this possible. And then finally, Great Western Dining, who set up the meal for us yesterday and got all of that ready. So with those thank yous, I'll turn it over. Dr. Jordan.
All right, thank you. I just want to mention and extend the thanks. And I think that winning an award is always an exciting achievement. Even those that didn't maybe get selected for awards, all of our unique perspectives and mindsets were truly impressive today, I think, from the students and the residents, and all of you should give yourselves an applause. So as you can see from the screen, we have some resident awards. We have first and second place today. We were so impressed with the contributions of all the residents and the resident research mentors that worked with the residents and this amazing achievement. Our first place, or sorry, this is on the second place. We skipped a slide, it looks like.
No, I rearranged them, Carrie, to keep the suspense going. So second.
Okay, okay, I didn't know that, sorry, thank you. So we're gonna announce the second place winner for the Resident Research Award first. It's Dr. Charles Dunn. He's from our Advanced Dermatology and Cosmetic Surgery Orlando Dermatology program. He's first year resident. Would like to mention that he previously completed a pediatrics residency at the Naval Medical Center, and he came in to repeat and do another residency in dermatology because he had an interest. And his title, his poster in his abstract was Vaccines in Dermatology, Expanding the Role of Dermatology Clinics in the Name of Public Health. Want to give a moment to congratulate him for his second place.
Thank you, Ms. Jordan. Thank you all very much. This is truly an honor. A fantastic day today, learning so much, and it means a lot to me. I really appreciate you guys.
You're welcome. Thank you. And please pass the congratulations on to the mentors you worked with and let them know the exciting news.
Yes, ma'am. I will. Thank you very much.
Okay, congratulations. Now the first place.
Yay, now with further ado, the first place for the Resident Research Award goes to Nicholas Farron. He is a second year family medicine resident from our St. Luke's de Pere program just outside of St. Louis. The title of his presentation poster in abstract was Outcomes of Refractive Lens Exchange to Treat High, and I might pronounce this wrong, mephomia in special needs children and adolescents. I probably said that wrong, so I apologize. Please give a big welcome to him if he's on with us. Would love to hear from him. If not, if some of his peers are on with us, please let him know.
Way to go, Nick.
That's Dr. Eichmar, his program director.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's a big honor. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Been doing it for 10 years, so good to earn a reward.
Great. Well, and again, want to make sure all the residents know that everything, all the posters, even those that didn't submit for the award, we thought this was a huge success today, and we appreciate all the hard work you put into this.
The number of presentations was truly impressive. A lot of work this afternoon. Okay, are we ready to move on?
Yes.
Okay. So, and these are now the poster awards. These, the judges came from the faculty here at KCU from both campuses. The poster awards were judged based solely on the posters that were submitted to iPoster. So this was just your presentation that you submitted to the virtual site. So moving to the College of Medicine, second place was Austin Trong for his work in the biochemical characterization of the nuclear receptor pregnane. So thank you, Austin. Are you here with us?
I am.
Congratulations, Austin.
Thank you. I highly appreciate it. Definitely want to thank Dr. Stonger and Anne-Marie for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Well done. And for the first place award in the College of Medicine, Jordan Horseman for his work entitled The Percutaneous Aspiration of Lumbar Synovial Cysts. Jordan, are you here with us?
I am. Thank you. It's a huge honor. And I'd just like to thank Dr. Gupta and the other student I worked with, student Dr. Hurrah. So thank you.
Well done. I will say we will get a certificate made up for you, and those will be delivered sometime in the next couple of weeks. And now for the College of Biosciences, second place. Amy Pearson for her work on the GO-G1 switch and lipid peroxidation that's involved in wound healing. So Cami, are you here with us?
Just kind of wave. It's unmuted. Yeah, I'm here. Thank you for doing, this is amazing. Thank you very much.
Glad to see you're there with friends, Cami.
Yes, and also big thanks to Dr. Sarcer because he has been the most supportive mentor I could ever ask for. So that too.
I'm glad to hear that. Well done, Cami.
Thank you.
And we look forward to your defense next month. And for first place in the College of Biosciences, Aziza Shemet-Pitcher for her work on non-coding RNAs and their impact on RNA splicing. Congratulations, Aziza, well done.
Thank you so much. Thank you to all the students that I work with and also to Dr. Biddle.
Okay, well, congratulations to both of you. And now for Sci-D, the second place. Sydney Harris for her work on depression and pseudodementia and autoimmune disorders. And for first place in Sci-D is Nikhil Vaid for Nikhil's work on assessing RECOVER, the response to concussion outcomes in using verified exercise and psychological wellness interventions. And now for the College of Medicine Summer Fellows from last year who completed their fellowships at this year's symposium. So this is research that was initiated last summer. And in second place from the Summer Student Fellowships, award goes to Quinn Smith for his work on DOX treatment and its effects on parasites and endothelial cells and angiogenesis. And first place for the Summer Student Research Fellowships is Charles Schoonover for his research on the talofibular ligament of the ankle. That brings us to our final and most prestigious award. This is the Yale Castlio Award. This award has a long history. I don't want to put you on the spot, Dr. O'Connor, but you know the history better than I do.
Sure, I can just say, so this award started from one of our alums, Dr. Betty Jo White. She's a DO, graduated, I'll just say many years ago, but she has always been passionate about osteopathic medicine, especially around osteopathic manipulative medicine. And for many years, the target of this award was focused on that. but over the last several years, we've expanded this and broadened this. And this is, and she changed the name from the Betty Jo White Award to honor Yale Castlio, which was a mentor for her, and to announce that award and broaden the scope of it. So it is KCU's most prestigious research award, and it comes with a fairly significant monetary award as well. So we are pleased to continue to honor this, and Dr. Betty Jo White, who always after the research symposium, she always wants to know who the winner is, right? So we'll be in contact with her and share the great news. But so to thanks everyone involved in this, and we thank Dr. Betty Jo White for her continued support of this prestigious research award. So
Thanks, Ed. And the winner is student Dr. Colin Cox for his research presentation that's entitled Randomized Crossover Pilot Study, Assessing Effective and Economical Interventions for Biosensing Immediate Physiological Responses to Osteopathic Suboccipital Inhibition. Colin, are you here?
Yes, I am here.
Well,
Thank you very much.
congratulations.
This is very exciting. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And want to thank Dr. Staudinger and Dr. Betty Jo White, of course, and Dr. Nichols and the rest of my research team. Thank you.
And I just point out, if you don't mind, I think Dr. Staudinger just posted a link to your presentation. Student Dr. Cox, I got to see it. It is fantastic work. Really, really impressive. I think Dr. White will be very proud of this award. So anybody take a look at the link on the chat. It's great work.
So finally, the last slide of this year's Spring Symposium. Congratulations to everyone who got an award today. And thank you again to everyone who helped make this, who helped pull this off, and to everyone who participated. And have a great rest of your spring and a great weekend, everyone. See you next year.